I was created in his sub-lab, made up of the DNA of the universe's greatest warriors, for the sole purpose of killing Goku. I was meant to absorb my two cyborg siblings to obtain my perfect form, but when the son of Vegeta, a time traveler, destroyed them, I had to murder him, steal his time machine, and travel back to the past. When I arrived there, I had to wait a year in my normal form before I could finally hatch and hunt down the cyborgs, upon which I became the perfection you see before you. Unfortunately, I was cheap-shotted in a fight with Goku's crotch spawn, and went out with a literal bang. And now, here I am.